Okay, folks, here we have two triangles, and this looks like what I would call the butterfly. That's my nickname for it. Here I have vertical pair, and I have two angles that are congruent, that are marked congruent. Why is this impossible? Well, let's just redraw these with a like configuration and see what's wrong with it. Because it's possible to have two triangles, of course, that have two angles that are congruent. Now, the question is, well, let me redraw this. I'm going to label it too. Redrawing it only takes a moment, but it'll save us a lot of problems. Here we have R, with the one tick is S. This would be T. This would be 6, 8, and a tick mark. Between R and T, I've marked as 12. Between S and R is with the slash, and between S and T is 10. Now we could call this X. We could call this X because we don't know what it is, but it's marked as if it's the same. When we go to set up a proportion, I'm going to go from the small triangle to the large. Anytime I go in the direction, I'm going to compare the like parts like this and like this. So if we go to solve this, let's see what we're going to get when we go to do this. I have 8 is to 10 as x is to 12. So in this case, if I multiply both sides by 12, I get x is equal to 8 times 12 divided by 10, or 48 over 5. But if I set up the proportion with this one, and I'm going to go the opposite direction if I'm going from this triangle to here. So I will go this direction because I want the x on the top. If I don't have the x on the top, that means I can actually solve it, but I'd have to cross multiply. And here I don't have to cross multiply, just multiply both sides by 12, for instance. So on this second one, I have x is to 6 as 10 is to 8. And if I multiply both sides by 6, I get x is equal to 60 over 8, which is, let's see, 4 goes into 8, 4 times 2, and 4 goes into 60, 4 times 15. So this is 15 halves. 15 halves and 48 fifths are not the same. This is impossible. These can't possibly be the same length because I would have to get the same number for both of these for them to be the same. And so that's why it doesn't work.